Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today is the first Monday of my meatless recipes. I'm so excited. And let me introduce to you the star attraction for today's recipe. I think you will be quite surprised at how delicious cauliflower can be. Now the reason why I am doing meatless Monday recipes is because I want to inspire you to eat more vegetables. Studies have shown that Americans do not eat the recommended amount of vegetables in their daily diet. And so I'm going to take this cauliflower, which I think a lot of times is boring. It's just steamed and there's not a lot of flavor. And I'm going to transform it into a sticky sesame cauliflower that is so delicious. And I think you will definitely want to give this a try. And make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and hit the little notification bell. Then you will know as soon as I upload a new delicious recipe. Okay, to cut up our cauliflower, I'm just going to remove the stem. And then I'm just going to start to cut these out in chunks. All right, you want to make sure that they are all relatively the same size. So next, I want to make a batter, and I'm using flour, and this is just all-purpose flour, but if you needed to do gluten-free, you could use a rice flour. And then this is cornstarch, onion powder and garlic powder, some salt, and then water and soy sauce. And then I'm just going to dump my cauliflower into this batter, and I'm wanting to coat this really good. Making sure that every piece of cauliflower is just really good and coated in every nook and cranny. Okay, so then you can take your cauliflower and just roll it around in some panko breadcrumbs. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. You can just add it straight to a greased sheet tray, but I want some added crunch. Now place them into a 425-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Now I'm going to make a delicious vegetable rice pilaf. Now I'm going to make mine in my rice cooker, but if you don't have a rice cooker, then just follow the directions on the bag of rice. I'm using a brown basmati rice, and then I'm going to load it with vegetables. I'm going to add some chopped asparagus, carrots, onion, garlic. This is just another way to increase those vegetables, and it's so delicious and flavorful. So anytime that you are cooking rice, whether you're using a rice cooker or you're doing it on top of the stove, you just want to make sure that you rinse your rice really, really good. And you also want to make sure that you add a good amount of salt. Okay, so now I'm just going to close my lid, turn it on, and hit brown rice and let it go. So I'm just going to take some baby carrots, and I'm just going to cut them into small cubes. And then I'm going to take my asparagus, chop off the ends, and then I'm just going to cut them into small pieces. And I'm also just going to chop some onion. Also going to mince a garlic. Okay, so my rice has been cooking for about 10 minutes. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my onions, carrots, and garlic. I'm not going to add the asparagus yet. I'm going to wait until there's about 10 minutes left of cook time. Okay, with the last little bit of cooking time, I'm going to add the asparagus. And I'm going to stir everything around and let that finish cooking. Okay, I've taken the cauliflower out, and now I'm just going to turn it over, just so that both sides can get nice and crispy. So now for the delicious sauce, I'm going to take a large non-stick skillet, and I'm going to add about a tablespoon of sesame seed oil. And then I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic. I have some ginger that has been in my freezer, and I'm just going to add just about a tablespoon of grated ginger. And it works so well when it's been frozen. Then I'm going to add some soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, some hoisin sauce, ketchup, and some honey. I'm also going to add a squirt of sriracha. And then I have some water with some cornstarch to make a slurry. That helps to thicken your sauce. Our sauce has gotten nice and thick. Now just look at this rice, how beautiful. Okay, this cauliflower is done, and so now I'm just going to place it in this sauce and toss it to get it nice and coated. So I'm just going to add it to the sauce and then just toss it in here to get all of this cauliflower coated. And now I'm just going to put it over top of this rice. Okay, I'm so excited. I mean, look at this. This looks phenomenal. I am excited to try this. I mean, you can step out of your comfort and try something different. I think you'll be surprised. I mean, I just really don't have words. This is absolutely delicious. I think you'll be very surprised to think that this is cauliflower. So, so good. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day and a healthy new year.